Hey guys, good evening. This is Irfan, your clarity coach, author of 5 books: Leading the Stoic Way, I Inspire, Dreams to Reality, The Book of Amazing People, and my main book, which is just recently published, called Clarity, Focus, Fortune. The reason why I'm making this video today is, because I was doing a little bit of reflection of, how my journey started, where I come from. I come from a very humble middle class background, and of course I believed in possibilities, and my reasons were strong for me to move forward in a certain direction. But one thing I realized, that there was a certain villain which in my life, which periodically showed up. And let me tell you a story about what I mean. When I was working in my previous profession, I had this Englishman who actually publicly humiliated me in an email. I had sent an email out, and he replied back on that email, marking and copying the entire world, saying, you need to improve your English. And that actually, at that point in time, I was very frustrated, and I was like, why would someone do such a thing? He could have actually called me, could have spoken to me, saying, this needs to be improved, and could have been done differently. But I thank him, because you see, that feeling that was generated at that point in time, the negative feeling, that actually pushed me forward, that actually helped me to make myself better. So you see, at times you don't realize, but these villains in your life, they come in for a reason. Tell me something, how a superhero is a superhero? A hero is a hero because he has a villain to fight with. He has some evil to fight with, right? He has some bad things to change. And that is exactly what my point is. So do not worry if you're going through a tough time, if there are people who are putting you down, if there are people who are trying to suppress you, if there are people who are trying to push you away. Use that feeling as a force for you to move forward. You heard me right. Use that feeling on those negative things as a force to not prove them wrong, but prove yourself better than the situation that you are in. Prove yourself to yourself that you are better than what is going on. You are way bigger than what is going on. I did not react to this gentleman saying, why did you publicly said such a thing? I said, thank you very much, I'll improve upon. That's exactly how I reacted. Yes, inside I had this feeling that he should not have done it in that fashion, but again, that helped me move forward. Today I am an author of 5 books, guys. I can't even believe, but that fueled my fire. So it's not what is produced within you given a situation, like a bad feeling or a positive feeling or a negative feeling. What do you use those feelings for? That is the question that I'm putting you across. If you have a great feeling, use that great feeling to even do better. But if you have a bad feeling, use that feeling to move forward. Use that feeling to prove yourself that you are better than the situation. I hope you guys get the message, and I am going to come back again with another powerful message as from some of my books as well, and keep adding value to you guys. All right, you have a great evening and all the best. Take care. Bye bye now.